Hello student. Today we will learn very interesting story, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. O. Henry, do you know that it is the pen name of William Sidney Porter, very famous American writer. And about The Last Leaf, this is an emotional story about a girl who regained the willpower in order to win a situation. Secondly, it is also the effort of an artist who tries to make his masterpiece. Now, let's see the main character of the story. The main character of the stories are Sue and Jonesy. These two are young artists, and these girls are friends also. They are living in the third story of an old house. कहने का मतलब ये है that कि both the girls कहाँ पे रह रही हैं? Together रह रही हैं on the third floor of an building, and in the same building one more person is living over there. His name is Behrman. So Behrman is the third character in the story. His age is 60 years old. He is a painter. Now, Behrman is having one dream that he has to create a masterpiece in his life. But he couldn't make the masterpiece in his life. Now, what happened? Jonesy, in the month of November, she fell ill and she suffered from a disease that is known as pneumonia. And she was not able to recover from her situation. There was no improvement in Jonesy. Doctor coming every day and giving her medicine, but there was no improvement. Then one day Sue thought that there was something wrong, and she heard Jonesy was doing back counting. 12, 11, 10, like this she was doing back counting. And then her friend asked her why she was counting like this. Then she told her fancy. What she told? That there was an ivy creeper out of the window where Jonesy was laying. जहाँ पे जोन्सी लेटी हुई थी उस विंडो से बाहर में एक आईवी क्रीपर था. आईवी क्रीपर मीन्स बच्चे, आईवी इज द नेम ऑफ अ वाइन. IVY. It is the name of a creeper. It is the name of a vine that was over there, and that vine was moving along the side of the wall. And now Jonesy had a fancy that with the fall of the last leaf of the ivy creeper she would die. क्या उसने फैंसी क्रिएट कर ली थी कि जैसे ही आईवी क्रीपर का लास्ट लीफ गिरेगा तो उसकी डेथ हो जाएगी. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड? When she heard about this, Sue told her that it is only her fancy. It is the autumn season and trees shed their leaves during this season. At night, when Jonesy fell asleep, she went to Behrman. As I have already told you that he was also living in the same building at the ground floor, and he was their guide also, mentor also. Then Sue told the condition of Jonesy to Behrman that Jonesy had created a fancy. कौन सी fancy? That she would die with the fall of the last leaf of the ivy creeper, and she is not recovering from pneumonia. Now Behrman came with her. He looked the situation and then he went down. At night, what he did? He took a ladder and his painting box, colors, brushes, lantern also, and he painted a leaf on the wall. That night there was too much wind and it was a rainy night, and Behrman, as you know that he was 60 years old, he couldn't tolerate it. No doubt he had painted the leaf over there. Then he came back to his room. He was totally wet, laying on his bed. The janitor of the building, janitor means the building keeper, watchman, saw him that he was laying on the bed and his clothes were totally wet and all the colors, lantern and ladder was laying aside. And after 2 days, what happened to him? He was died. On the other hand, what we see, when Johnsy wake up next day, what she found, that there was one leaf on the ivy creeper. Reason being, that leaf was painted by Behrman. But that leaf was so nicely painted that she could not recognize that it was the painted one. She thought that wind and rain had no effect on that leaf, and that leaf gave her emotional support, changed her thinking view, and now she thought that she would recover. She asked you to bring the comb, bring the mirror, she would take the hot soup, and she had started showing willingness to live. And earlier, I have told you in the beginning that she was not getting recover. And even the doctor has also said that if she doesn't want to live, medicine will not help her. If she doesn't want to live, अगर वो जीना ही नहीं चाहती तो मेडिसिन उस पर कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं करेगी. But now बच्चे, when she has seen in the morning that there was one leaf on the ivy creeper, then her emotions changed, her fancy changed, she started thinking in a positive way. So this is the emotional attachment of Johnsy with that last leaf. Now she regained again back to life. She had the willingness to live, and after that day, next day, when Sue sat with Johnsy, she took her hand in her hand, and then she told Johnsy about Behrman. That Behrman, he was suffering from fever from last 2 days. He was suffering from pneumonia, and then he died. And then she also told her, didn't you recognize that leaf isn't moving in the wind or air? Because that leaf is an artificial leaf. That leaf is painted by Behrman. When Johnsy realized it, then she came to know that Behrman was really a good painter and it was his masterpiece. Before death, Behrman had painted the masterpiece, and because of his masterpiece, Johnsy regained the life again. She regained confidence in herself that she could live, she could do in life. So she started thinking in a positive way. Optimism was created because of Behrman's painting. So this is all about the story, bache. Now I would like to tell you about Sue. Sue was her friend. When Johnsy fell ill, what effort were done by the Johnsy? Okay जी, when Johnsy fell ill, what effort were done by Sue? Sue ने उसके लिए क्या क्या हेल्प की? Sue ने देखो उसको, she provided him soup, she took care of all the medicine, she sent for the doctor, and time to time, what she did? She talked about fashion, clothes also, in order to divert her attention from her illness. So she was a true friend because she met with Behrman also and talked about Johnsy's situation. She tried her best in order to take out Johnsy from the difficult situation. Okay ji. Now in exam, question can come like this. what was the role of Sue in Jonesy's life? How she helped Jonesy's to get out of her illness. Second main question, what you can get about Behrman. So Behrman, as I told you earlier, that he was a 60 years old painter living in the same building in which Sue and Jonesy were living, and he was having one dream. His dream was to paint a masterpiece, and at last when he painted Leaf of the Ivy Creeper, then definitely it became his masterpiece because that leaf was able to save Jonesy's life. Now question can come like this: character sketch of Behrman, or who was Behrman? Was he able to make a masterpiece during his lifetime? Then we say that yes, Behrman was a old painter, 60 years old. Yes, he was able to make a masterpiece, but not during his lifetime. After his death, the leaf which he painted, that proved to be a masterpiece because it could be able to save Jonesy's life. Okay ji. Now see बच्चे, question can come in the form of diary entry. Question can come in the form of diary entry also. Suppose you are Jonesy. Questions, listen to me. You are Jonesy. What effort were put by Sue and Behrman in order to save you? Write your feeling in about 100 to 150 words. Then what you will write down? In case of diary entry, you know that I have already told you the format of diary entry. Here, for diary entry, first of all, you will write down day, date and time on the right side. Day you will write here, date you will write here on the left line, and time this side. Date, day, time, and then write down dear diary. After that you can start your work. Content you have to mention that what efforts were done by Sue in order to save you, and what efforts done by Behrman to save you, and in the end you have to write down here your name signed as a Jonesy. Okay बच्चे, thank you.